If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. Lentils or dal are consumed in all the states in India with a little variation in the method of cooking. And today I have come up with a traditional lentil recipe. That's not only lentil, but we also added little dumplings made out of dough while cooking the lentils. And this is a traditional recipe from the state of Uttar Pradesh in India. And it's known as dal ka Dhulha. I really do not know the history behind this name. Some people even like to call it dal ki tikki. Without wasting any time, let me show you how to make this traditional style recipe.
Please note the ingredients needed to make today's traditional recipe. List is also given in description below. Firstly, we'll take pigeon peas or arhar dal. Wash and soak it for about 30 minutes in double the amount of water. After 30 minutes, put this in a pressure cooker with the water in which it was soaked in. Put extra water here. My dear friends, the ratio of lentil and water is very crucial in this recipe. Like I had 1.5 cup of dry pigeon peas. I soaked it in 3 cups of water. And for pressure cooking, I added 7 cups of water. Now back to cooking, we need to add some spices while pressure cooking this dal. Like turmeric or haldi, salt or namak, and asafoetida or hing. Let this cook on medium heat only. Meanwhile, prepare a dough with 3 cups of flour, the similar dough that you would need for making chapati or roti. Now roll this dough into a big size roti or a tortilla. You may use dry flour if you feel the need. Now cut this chapati into diamonds like this and remove these diamonds gently. And the other side, the lentils have already started boiling in water. Drop in these dough diamonds gently into the boiling dal. When all go in, add in chopped tomato or tomato. Cover and pressure cook this for about 40 minutes on medium heat, or you may give 2 whistles. Meanwhile, the lentils get cooked. Let's prepare the tempering. For that, take clarified butter or desi ghee in a pan on medium heat. When it heats up, add in cumin seeds or zeera. When the zeera crackles, add in chopped garlic or lesan, sliced onion or pyaz. And remember to slice the onion in this fashion for the authentic taste. Not only the ingredients, but the way we prepare our ingredients for a food render a special taste to that food. So fry this on medium or medium-high heat only. When done, turn off the heat and add in broken dry red chillies. You may even add slit green chillies at this point. Keep aside this tempering. When the pressure cooker depressurizes naturally, open the lid and mix the lentils. They are all cooked. Add in chopped cilantro or hara dhania. Mix well. Now it's ready to be served. For that, take a bowl or a white plate. Add in the lentil. Over it, add in the special tempering. Over this, add in cilantro dip or hara dhania chutney. Please check out the recipe. So the quantity of tempering and quantity of chutney over it is to your taste. Serve it hot. This is a total comfort food for the whole family, be it lunchtime or dinner. Enjoy this healthy recipe. Thanks for watching.